Hey guys, we just have our order arrived from Japan. What we have is some cherry red mirror caps. We also have the WRX S4 badge here. This is off a VA, but we're only going to be using the S4 section. We've got a STI grille badge here, all OEM parts, and we have a lip extension kit in the cherry blossom red, which comes with all the hardware needed to install. I purchased these items from japanparts.com. Takes about 2 weeks to arrive, and they are what you expect from OEM quality. But in this video we're going to be installing the cherry red mirror caps to the WRX. So to take the mirror caps off, you're going to pull on this section here. Don't use any metal. Use a plastic card if you can, or your nails, and just pull out and move your hand across here. It'll remove it.